Love the famous Big Mac sauce from McDonald's? Let's make that creamy, tangy secret sauce at home in just 1 minute. Half a cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons finely chopped pickles. 1 tablespoon yellow mustard. 1 tablespoon ketchup. 1 teaspoon white vinegar. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. First, take a small bowl and add the mayonnaise. Now add the finely chopped pickles for that classic tangy flavor. Next, mix in the mustard and ketchup. This gives the sauce its signature color and taste. Add white vinegar and sugar to balance the tanginess. Now sprinkle in garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika for that perfect burger-style flavor. Mix everything really well until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. For the best taste, cover the bowl and let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This helps all the flavors blend together beautifully. And that's it. Your homemade Big Mac sauce is ready to enjoy with burgers, fries, or sandwiches. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy homemade sauces.